Hi friends, it's Miss Hannah here, and today we are going to read Subway Ride. I wonder what this book is going to be about. What do you guys think? Down, down, down. Step down below to see the world. Now off we go. We pay our fare, we turn the gate. That's how they're getting onto the subway. Underground, we wait, wait, wait. Subways run underground. Saxophone blasts, jazzy vibes. Drums and cymbals jam and jive. Sometimes people play music down in the subway. Rumbling, roaring, blurring speed. Silver bullet, rushing breeze. Subways go very fast. It's going very fast. We step on quickly, move aside. Doors slide shut, our turn to ride. So they stepped in the door. And there's some seats and a pole. Busy folks step on and off. We stay put, our trip is long. Doors slide open, we slide back. Subway whizzes down the track. So they're hopping off the subway. We bump and sway, we hold on tight. We zip through tunnels dark as night. They're underground going through the tunnels. Clomping, stomping, shuffling feet, step to the clacking subway beat. Lots of people walking in the subway. Last stop, we hear the driver shout. Doors open wide, we step out. Step up from the dark. A celebration in the park. So they rode the subway all the way to the park. And these are some of the different places that have subways. There's the one in Atlanta, Chicago, London, New York City. Lots of big cities have subways. Subways go through tubes and tunnels, through different tunnels. Thanks for listening. Bye, friends.